Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you and welcome to our presentation video. Here I will present about my team experiment with the title Formulation of Natural Antiseptic Liquid from Baidara Arab Leaf Extract or Ziziphus pinna-christi L for Islamic cadaver bathing. Before I begin, let me to introduce our first. My name is Indra Topik Maulana. I'm a lecturer in Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Bandung Islamic University, or abbreviate UNISBA. And this is Mrs. Fitrianti Darusman as Chief of Team, and my co-worker Lani Mulki and Sani Agapriani, and of course our student Elsa Nurul Maulidia. Okay, let's begin. Hadith narrated by Bukhari number 1175 in the cadaver chapter. Rasulullah Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "Take a bath by pouring water mixed with bidara leaves 3 times, 5 times or more if you felt necessary, and make for the last one with camphor or fragrance." Basically, all women in this world will experience a period of death. That is a state of missing a sign of life with a series of changes in the structure of the human body that are affected by the process of decay. One of the causes of decay or decomposition is the activity of aerobic and anaerobic microorganisms that can decompose human tissues. There are several microorganisms that contribute to the decomposition process of the cadaver, including Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus epidermidis, and Candida albicans, where these microbes reproduce in human blood. Effort that can be conducted to inhibit the process of decomposing the cadaver is by bathing it using natural antiseptic preparation. Baidara Arab or Ziziphus pinna-christi is a plant that Rasulullah used to bathe the cadaver, but until now the sunnah is rarely applied. This is due to the unavailability of Baidara Arab trees or sub-product made from Baidara Arab extract. Based on the research, Baidara Arab was known to have an antimicrobial effect against Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Salmonella typhimurium, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Proteus mirabilis, Klebsiella pneumonia, and Staphylococcus aureus. Leaf extract of Baidara Arab was also known to be active as antifungal against Candida albicans. Baidara Arab leaf extract contains secondary metabolic compounds that could inhibit microbial growth, including alkaloid, flavonoid, polyphenol, tannin, and saponin, tritenoid, lipid, protein, and glycoside. According to the antibacterial activity and the content of these secondary metabolites, Baidara Arab has the potential to be made as an antiseptic solution. In order to meet the availability of antiseptic liquid for Islamic cadaver bathing, effort needs to be made towards a halal and safety antiseptic liquid formulation with the main ingredient of Baidara Arab leaf extract. So, the study aims to produce a natural antiseptic solution made from Baidara Arab leaf extract. Now, let's continue to this experiment method. The leaves of Baidara Arab were extracted by infusation method to produce micella. Micella was concentrated using a rotary vacuum evaporator to obtain a concentrated extract. Phytochemical screening was conducted on leaves and extract of Baidara Arab, including flavonoids, alkaloids, tannin, saponin, and polyphenol. Then extract was diluted, becoming 5 concentrations that were of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10%. These concentration extract were tested for their activity against Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus epidermidis, and Candida albicans, with positive control, respectively, amoxicillin 1%, thiamphenicol 1%, and ketoconazole 1%. The assay used the agar-well diffusion method with incubation at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours for antibacterial activity, and incubation at 25 degrees Celsius for 48 hours for antifungal activity. The negative control used in these 3 tests was aquarose. The resulting inhibition zone diameter was then measured and then determined the best extra concentration used for the antiseptic preparation. The formulation of natural antiseptic liquid preparation includes concentrates of Baidara Arab leaf extract and the ingredient of excipient as shown in table. Evaluation of the final preparation includes organoleptics, pH, specific gravity, viscosity, and determination of foam height and foam stability. The antiseptic liquid that produced was then tested for antibacterial and antifungal activity and compared against similar commercial products with the same method as in the assay of extract. Okay, here is the result of the experiment. Extraction using the infudation method was successfully to produce yield of 29.85%. The phytochemical screening of raw material and extract of Baidara Arab showed that both the raw material and extract contain alkaloid, flavonoid, tannin, polyphenol, and saponin. Based on this data, the infudation method was known to be able to extract compound from the raw material maximally. Now, let we see the result of antimicrobial and antifungal activity for the extract. The antimicrobial activity test showed that the extract with all concentration were able to produce inhibition zones. This showed that the extract had the activity of inhibiting the 3 microorganisms, as you see in the table. According to the criteria of the level of activity strength, the result of the antibacterial activity test of Baidara leaf extract against Escherichia coli with a concentration of 2 to 6% was a strong inhibition zone, while at a concentration of 8 to 10% was the very strong inhibition zone. Amoxicillin 1% as a positive control had a very strong inhibition zone. Now, let we see to the Staphylococcus epidermidis assay. The antibacterial activity assay of Baidara Arab leaf extract against Staphylococcus epidermidis with a concentration of 2% resulted in the moderate inhibition zone, and at a concentration of 4 to 8% resulted in the strong inhibition zone, whereas at a concentration of 10% resulted in a very strong inhibition zone, and thiamphenicol 1% as a positive control had a strong inhibition zone that is 16.9 mm. The antifungal activity assay of Baidara Arab leaf extract against Candida albicans with a concentration of 2 to 6% resulted in a strong inhibition zone, while a concentration of 8 to 10% resulted in a very strong inhibition zone. Therefore, the concentration of 10% extract was chosen as the effective concentration in inhibiting the growth of Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus epidermidis, and Candida albicans, so that it would be used as active substance in natural antiseptic liquid formulation. Now let's talk about formulation of natural antiseptic liquid. Antiseptic is a pharmacy product that can reduce or inhibit the growth of microorganisms by damaging his tissue cell without damaging the host tissues. Evaluation of the final formula was conducted to determine the characteristic of the natural antiseptic liquid of Baidara Arab leaf extract. The results obtained were listed in the table. Now, let we see the result of antiseptic activity assay of the product. The result of antimicrobial activity test of natural antiseptic liquid product saw effectiveness that was almost equivalent comparable to commercial product, both in concentrated form and dilution in 10 times the solvent. This was indicated by the resulting of the strong to very strong inhibition zone against Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus epidermidis, and Candida albicans. Okay, now we reach to conclusion of the experiment. The result of the antibacterial assay show that the concentration of 10% Baidara Arab leaf extract had very strong active as an antiseptic. Consequently, it was used as an active ingredient in natural antiseptic liquid formulation. The result of the antiseptic activity of the natural antiseptic liquid extract against Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus epidermidis, and Candida albicans saw effectiveness that was equivalent compared to its commercial product, indicated by a strong to very strong inhibition zone diameter. So we conclude that a concentrated natural antiseptic liquid made from Baidara Arab leaf extract was effective as an antimicrobial for bathing the cadaver.